Okay, hi guys. So I'm going to show you guys a bit of a hands-on activity, an experiment to do with the circulatory system. So what we're going to kind of make is a model of a heart. Mostly we're going to have an atrium, a ventricle, and then pumping the blood to the lungs or the body. And so that's pretty important. Now, to do this, we need 3 bottles. One of the bottles has to be squeezable. And you're going to need some bendy straws or some tubing. I'm using red food coloring, but you don't have to have red food coloring as long as you can see the liquid going from each bottle. A drill bit or something sharp. You could use a pair of scissors or something to drill holes, and then something to seal off the holes when you're done. I'm using a bit of plasticine just because it's quick. You could easily use some hot glue or any kind of thing to seal around some of the holes. Okay, so the first step I've already done. We need to have 2 bottles with some red water or just plain water in them, 1 empty bottle. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of the caps from the bottles and I'm going to drill 2 holes in each of these caps.
So
each cap should have 2 holes like that. Next, I'm going to feed straws through the holes. Okay, so you're going to get 1 cap that has 2 straws in it, another cap that has 1 straw in it. This here, this cap with 1 straw, still needs another hole to get some air in. Now, the one with 2, I'm just going to make sure it seals really tight, so I'm going to put a bit of plasticine around them. Okay, that's going to go my ventricle. Now I need to connect these together. And your job after you learn is going to be to tell me whether or not you think these are arteries, capillaries, or veins. Okay, once all your straws are connected, what you have here is you have your ventricle in the middle, your atrium over here, and this would represent the rest of your body that the blood is being delivered to. So if we start pumping the heart, we can see what our experiment does. Whoa! My straws aren't quite sealed here. So I'm going to fix that. Let's try that again. That's better. So every time the heart pumps, it takes blood from the atrium into the ventricle and then pumps it out to the body. Now there's a part that we're missing in this system, and that is once the blood gets back to your body, something has to deliver it back to the atrium. Now for this model, we don't have that, but I want you guys to think about what part of your circulatory system would take the blood from the body back to the atrium. Okay, so you could try this experiment if you have the materials at home and see how it works. It's pretty neat.